We are showing mioty, which is a low power wide area network consisting of a gateway and multiple sensors. Tons of sensors, just like this one. We're transmitting sensor data over large areas via telegram splitting. We are splitting up these information into tiny bits and distribute them in spectrum and time. This makes it very robust. We have standardized ETSI standard, which is open, when everyone can implement it. Further, you don't need much energy to drive it. In fact, we are using energy harvesting within this sensor, which has a warm side here, this pipe is heated, and a cool side. And the temperature difference generates energy within this sensor node, and it's sufficient to transmit data every 15 seconds.